Linking an Amazon item to a WordPress post. You will need to do this if you sell items on Amazon and need to link them to posts in WordPress to be able to sell. From your Amazon site, you need to go find the ISBN number or the ASIN number. This you'll need to add into the Add Amazon link. You will then go and select the image and then click Insert Link, which will then put it into your post. You can then go back to your Amazon site and get the text from that Amazon site and cut and paste it directly into your WordPress site if you so want. If the image is too small, you can delete it, go back to your Add Media, go back to your media library, find the media that you want, click to ensure that it's set to full width, full size, and then insert into post. Once again, click the image and ensure that the alignment allows for the text to be wrapped. To save space, I normally get rid of all the extra spaces that Amazon tends to put into the post by just clicking between each paragraph and deleting it. This is a personal choice. You can choose how you want to do it. From there, you want to put a button in, so you would click on the Marketing tab, build a button. In the button text, delete this text and type your own text. In this case, it would be buy here or buy now. You would then come down to the icon, scroll down till you find the hand down, and you'll see the icon has changed. Come down to the blue button, insert the code, and there you have it. You would now click on the right hand side to publish. Once published, you can go back to your live site, click on the title to refresh the site, scroll down to the category that book was in this case non-fiction books, scroll down till you find that particular item, and there you'll see it with the button saying buy now and with the Amazon link. Thank you for watching.